Is business going slow for you? Do you see other photographers in your same location getting booked for gigs and wonder why you aren't? Well, with these tips, not only am I going to show you how to drive more traffic towards your business, but also how to make more money from them. How's it going? My name is Ryan Troy. I'm a full-time photographer, and this channel is all about photography. If this is something that you could get into, make sure you go ahead on and subscribe. Now, the most important thing that you will need is a professional website. Now, I already made a video on the 5 things that you need when starting a photography business that I will link if you watch this video to the end. Now that we have that set up, here's the deal. I've noticed with a lot of photographers that they have their portfolio on their website along with their contact information, but no place for their pricing. Now, if you are a wedding or an event photographer and your pricing change depending on the location and the venue and the time, don't worry, I have something for you as well. Some customers may feel like they can't afford you, so they don't want to waste their time or yours by contacting you. Seeing prices helps the customer know if it's in their budget or not. And the best part about this is once the customer finally emails or calls you, you have a better chance at landing that customer because they already know that you are in their price range. Now, what happens if you're a wedding or event photographer? This is how you will word it on your website. State that your basic package starts at a certain price. You do not need to put how much more it will be if they stay an extra hour or two. Now, if the customer is fine with this and know that it's in their budget, chances are they will reach out to you because once again, they are willing to pay it and they may be curious on what comes with that package and what else they can get. But at that point, it's all on you on selling yourself. The next thing that will help you make more money when you have the client is upselling. Have you ever placed an online food order and once you got to the end, they tried to sell you on a side or a dessert? Or maybe you was looking for a car and once you knew the model that you wanted, they kept trying to upgrade different features that cost different prices? Well, this is upselling. Places upsell to us so much that we've grown accustomed to it. Now, what if I told you it was a way that you could upsell your photography and not look so annoying as you did it? Now, I'm not the one to tell you how to value your work. There are different things that come into play when photographers price their work, like location, cost of living, experience. There's a lot of different factors. But if it's one thing I think you should invest in is a gallery. There are many galleries out there, but the one that I use is PicTime. How can we upsell with this? Well, let me give you a scenario. Let's say someone booked you for your basic package. I don't want you to go into this session feeling this person bought the cheapest package, so I'm just going to give them what's there. I want you to go into this session feeling like this person just booked your most expensive package. And that way, once it's time for your client to select the photos that they want you to edit, I want you to give them a gallery of the session that you took. Now go ahead and cull your photos, all the photos that's out of focus or maybe ones that you would not want them to choose. Go ahead on and delete them like you would, but give them the gallery and let them see those photos. So what this does is if it's 10 photos that they're supposed to get, if they like 30, then you get to sell them on the extra 20. Most time customers don't know what they want until it's presented in front of their face. Always keep upselling in mind when booking a session. One thing I like about PicTime is they already have upselling options built into it. Now, disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by PicTime, but it's just the gallery that I use and it's the gallery that I recommend. Now, one of the options that they have is called the Early Bird Special. And with this, it gives the customer 20% when you send them their gallery for prints. And another thing they have is the abandoned cart feature. So what this does is if they were to put something in their cart and don't check out, later on it sends them an email telling them that they forgot something in their cart and it gives them an extra 30%. Now the thing about this is you get to scale exactly how your profits are with this, so you're always in control. The 30% and 20% is just what they see. But at the end of the day, if you base your price around these discounts, it looks like they're getting a deal when in reality, they're paying what you wanted them to pay all along. And these are just 2 tips that'll help you get more business and bring in more money from it. Now, if you found this video helpful, then maybe you'll like this video as well. Once again, my name is Ryan Troy. This channel is all about photography. If you're interested in things like this, go ahead and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, and if you have a question, comment down below. Until the next video, peace.